Did you know that eating late at night doesn't actually make you gain weight? That's right. Today we're busting some of the biggest dieting myths out there, so get ready to have your mind blown. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling some of the most common dieting myths that have been floating around for years. These myths can seriously impact our choices and behaviors when it comes to food, and it's time to set the record straight. First, let's talk about why these myths are so prevalent. With so much information out there, it's easy to get confused about what's fact and what's fiction. Misleading diet advice can come from anywhere: friends, family, social media, and even outdated scientific studies. So, what are some of these myths? You've probably heard things like carbs are the enemy, skipping meals helps you lose weight, and of course, eating late at night makes you gain weight. But are any of these actually true? Let's find out. Myth number 1. Carbs are the enemy. This is a huge one, especially with the rise of low-carb diets like keto. But here's the deal. Not all carbs are created equal. Simple carbs like sugar can spike your blood sugar levels and lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. However, complex carbs, like those found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, provide essential nutrients and energy. So, the key is not to eliminate carbs, but to choose the right kinds. Incorporate whole grains, fruits, and veggies into your diet for balanced nutrition. And now the big one: eating late at night makes you gain weight. This myth has been around for ages, and it's time to debunk it once and for all. The truth is, weight gain is all about calorie intake versus calorie expenditure. If you consume more calories than you burn, you'll gain weight, regardless of when you eat those calories. Eating late at night doesn't magically add pounds. It's what and how much you eat that matters. Let's look at the science. Studies have shown that the body's metabolism doesn't drastically change at night. What can affect your weight is eating large, calorie-dense meals late at night, because you're more likely to overeat and choose less healthy options. So, if you're hungry at night, it's perfectly fine to have a healthy snack. Just be mindful of your overall daily calorie intake and try to choose nutritious options. Here are a few tips for late-night eating. 1. Choose high-protein snacks like Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts. 2. Avoid sugary and high-fat foods that can disrupt your sleep. 3. Drink a glass of water first. Sometimes we mistake thirst for hunger. All right, let's move on to a couple more myths before we wrap up. Myth number 4. You need to eat small, frequent meals to boost your metabolism. While this might work for some people, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. What's more important is finding a meal pattern that works for you and your lifestyle. So, what's the key takeaway here? Sustainable weight management is more about making overall healthy food choices and practicing portion control than obsessing over specific meal timings or completely cutting out certain food groups. Remember, the goal is to adopt a balanced and evidence-based approach to dieting. By debunking these myths, we can make better choices that support our health and well-being. To recap, we busted several dieting myths today. Carbs aren't the enemy, skipping meals won't help you lose weight, eating late doesn't make you gain weight, you don't need to eat small, frequent meals to boost your metabolism, and not all calories are created equal. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments which dieting myth surprised you the most, or if you have any other myths you'd like us to bust. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got more great content on nutrition, health, and wellness coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, a balanced approach to eating is the best way to support your health. See you in the next video.